Hey guys, welcome to Striker Bytes. In this video, we will learn how to install Dozzle in Docker using Portainer. Dozzle is a lightweight web application that will allow for live monitoring of your Docker container logs from within a web browser. It is open source software and is available for free. Once you log into Portainer, click on your server. Then, click on Container. And then click Add Container. We'll name this container Dozzle. The image we need from the Docker Hub is amir20/dozzle:\latest. Now click on the Publish a New Network Port button. The host port is going to be 8080 and the container port will also be 8080. Scroll down and click on Volumes. This container needs access to the Docker socket to run properly. Click on Bind to create a bind volume mount. Type in /var/run/docker.sock. And in the box below it, type the same thing. Now click on Deploy Container. Depending on your server environment, this could take a few minutes. Once this process is complete, we can click on the log icon to make sure there weren't any errors while deploying the container. Now that the container is running, we can visit the application by opening a web browser, entering our server IP address, and then adding port 8080 to the end. When the application first opens, you will see the list of running containers on the left-hand sidebar. On this server, I only have two containers running, Portainer and Dozzle. To view the logs, you can click the container name, and the logs will pop up on the right. It's a brilliantly simple app with minimal settings. You can change the font sizes or select a light or dark theme. I prefer the dark theme. That's it for this video. Links to the applications used in this video are below. Comment below if you have any questions.